Hello boss, now introduce our wireless charger with speaker. Firstly, introduce the multi-function points. As for the speaker, it has 3 modes to play music. Wireless, AUX play, USB play directly. Okay. Wireless speaker.
Connection.
Okay, connect fast. And on the left button can control the volume to turn around.
Without you, my friend.
And the right button, they can cut off the sounds, like sound, that sound, yes. And on the back has a LED mode. You can control the LED light. Now press yes to activate the LED light. And for the clock, it can automatically to adjust the local time when you connect Bluetooth your phone, your iPhone. So it's very convenient. And on the top, this area have a wireless charging function. Okay, charging now, very fast. With strong magnetic. So when you put your iPhone with MagSafe function, it won't fall down when you turn around the speaker. Very strong. You sleep fine because it's very convenient to control your music, control the volume that you want. So you can charging your iPhone. So you can charge your iPhone and wireless charging and listen your music at the same time. Very convenient. Your phone not ever power off when listen music, right?